Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Outfits of the Week. I love sharing with you guys what I've been wearing this week, what I've been inspired of, the different outfits that I can create from shopping my own closet, but also incorporating some of the new pieces that I get from all the hauls that I do on this channel. I absolutely have re-sparked my passion for outfits. I'm a very casual person though, so these outfits are very relatable in the sense of I don't wear heels every day. If you do, cool, you do you, but I'm just saying like that's my style. It's very comfortable, it's very casual, and I absolutely love sharing my outfits with you guys that I'm able to put together for certain events, but also just for everyday life. So I hope you guys enjoy watching these type of videos. If you do, let me know by giving the video a big thumbs up. Also drop in the comments down below what your favorite outfit was that I put together. And like always, everything that I feature in the outfits will be linked down below. If I can't find the exact item because it's older or sold out or whatever, I'll try to find something similar as well as my measurements in size reference so you guys can use that if you're curious to shop any of the looks or shop your closet to try to put together some of these looks. Again, super easy, super basic, but I love them. So let's wrap up this week's outfits of the week. I hope you guys enjoyed, found a little bit of inspiration to shop your wardrobe or pick up some newer pieces for this spring summer season. As always, I'm in those comfy casual vibes because that's how I feel my best. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found some inspiration. I love y'all so much. Thank you for taking the time to watch, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.